close the door, and let's do this. Oh, where's my key? Nah. Wait a second. Alright, now we will have intercom recording as well. Alright, close the door. That looks good. I'm gonna grab my key. Nope, no key. Okay. In here. Alright, pre-flight checklist is finished. Before engine start, parking brake is set, seat belts are fastened, fuel selectors on both, electrical equipment are transform off, circuit breakers are all in. Engine start. I'm gonna put my headphone on first. Alright. Engine start. Make sure it's rich. Carpet is in. No need to prime. Throttle is 2 pump and set. 2 and set. Master on. Beacon on. Nav lights no need. Prop area is clear. Prop area is clear. Technical start. Alright. There we go. Not doing this. Mixture lean. Flaps are retracted. Transponders 1200 standby. Radios are correct frequency. And the weather.
Remarks. Density altitude 1,900. Ames Municipal Airport, Ames, Iowa. Automated weather observation 2217 Zulu. Wind 070 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 3019er.
3019er.
Density altitude 1,900.
Alright, so we still have a right crosswind and we're using 01 just as we did before. Alright. Altimeter set, directional gyro is 50. Taxi brave. Okay, so I am taxiing to 01 again. Alright, release the parking brake. And get going. Brakes are good. Zero 7. So the windsock says we have a left crosswind right now. Proper crosswind correction. Right is clear. Everything looks good. Nobody's around either. Little too fast. Reduce power. Brake. Alright, looking for traffic. No traffic. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is crossing runway 3113 at Alpha AMS. Don't see anybody, don't hear anybody. No. L1 now. Alright, nobody's coming. A little too fast. Everything looks good. Ooh, that's a long taxi. Alright, a little too fast. Slow down just a little bit. Oof. Power. Alright, let's do a run-up, just to be safe. A little bit of brake. Alright, trying to win, which is very significant right crosswind. Alright, round-up checklist. Parking brake, no need. Taxi light was now down. Let me actually adjust my seat first. Let me set the parking brake. My seat is too high. That's better. Alright, taxi light was now down. Flight controls are... free and correct. Fuel selectors on both. Fuel level is good. Mixture is forage. Trim is set for takeoff. Throttle to 17. Alright, magneto left. About 100 drop. Goes. Right. About 90 drop, so that's fine. Carburetor heat is functional. Engine instruments are green. Suction is more than enough. Throttle back to 1000. Instruments are good. Directional gyro is good. Everything looks good. Transponder to altitude. Radios are 1227, transmitting on correct frequency. I've got briefing, so we're taking 01 and it's right crosswind. And 3 touch and goes. Mixture is forage. Alright, we don't need lights, so let's get going. Check weather again, just to be safe.
Celsius. Altimeter 3020. Remarks. Density altitude 1,900. Ames Municipal Airport, Ames, Iowa. Automated weather observation 2225 Zulu. Wind 080 at 06. Visibility 10.
08006, so that's a little bit more crosswind than what it used to be, but I think we're fine. We're okay. Alright, go short. Final is clear. Don't see anybody. AM traffic, Skyhawk 4808 Delta is departure runway 01, stay in the pattern AM. Okay, nobody's coming, so. Double check final. Fine with the runway. Alright, fuel select on both mixtures rich. And here we go. Engine instruments are green. Airspeed is alive. Rotate. Okay, that was a little bad. Look at that view. Frame this off. Alright, everything looks good. I'm turning crosswind. Actually, I'll wait a little bit so I can clear those houses. Turning crosswind. Alright, to campus. Alright. Keep going a little bit. Alright, 2,000 feet. Level off. Wow, that was pretty good climb performance. That's the boats alright. Alright, sure, downwind. Downwind is clear. AM traffic, Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning right downwind for runway 01 Ames. Alright, everything looks good. Alright. Looks good. Engine looks good. Airspeed looks good. Wow, this is almost too easy. Alright, so we're being blown to the runway a little bit by the wind, so I'm gonna compensate for that by aileron to the right. Alright. 1,000-foot marker. Pitch power, carpet flap. First notch off flap. There we go. Looks good. Retrim for control pressure. Alright. Final looks clear. Airspeed is good. Turn base. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning right base for runway 01, touch and go aims. Alright, final's clear. X notch off flap. Right there. Alright, double check final. Final's good. Turn final. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning final for runway 01, touch and go aims. Everything looks good. Airspeed is good. Altitude is good. A little bit of bump, but we're fine. Okay, we're a little high. Add more flaps. All the flaps. Alright, we got a runway made. Power coming to idle. Wow, that was a little bad. Alright, repeat, flap. Are coming up, so let's get going again. Wow, that was really bad. My first touch and go after solo. So bad. 60, rotate. Wow. Alright, let's do it better this time. Retrim. Everything looks good. That's right direction.
Ames Municipal Airport, Ames, Iowa. Automated weather observation 2233
I can't see
Zulu. Wind 090 at 05.
Wow.
Visibility
90 degrees off crosswind. Almost. Yeah, we can handle that. It's only 5 knots. Alright. Down crosswind. Alright. We're flying hands-free, so that's good. RP is in. Alright, downwind. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning right downwind for runway 01 aims. Wow, this is too amazing to be true. Everything looks good. I have a little climb going on besides fixing that. We're looking good. So since we're being blown away to the right, let's compensate that by going left a little bit. There we go, that's better. Wow, I can see myself just slicing through the road down there. That Crosswind is real. Alright, 1,000-foot marker, almost there. Pitch power, carpet flap. First notch off flap. Power is a little low. Alright, everything looks good. Retrim for that. We're a little too fast. Fix that. Alright, turn base. Finals clear. AM traffic, Skyhawk 4808 Delta is right base for runway 01, touch and go AIMS. Finals clear. Next notch of flap. We're just flying over that factory down there. Alright. Final looks good. Turn final. AM traffic, Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning final for runway 01, touch and go AIMS. A little too low. I'll add a little bit of power. Add a little bit of bump, but we're fine. Alright, that looks good. Wow, that crosswind is real, man. Alright, flap. All the flaps. Power coming to idle. Alright, slowly coming down. Right elevator, left rudder. Okay, that was pretty bad as well. I can't blame the wind. It's crosswind, you know. Flaps are coming up. And here we go. The last one. Rotate. Wow. Well, I guess it's probably because this airplane had 40 degrees of flap, so I was kind of flying as I was touching down, so that might be part of the reason, but anyway, last one, this one will be a full stop. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, everything looks good. Crosswind. Right is clear. Alright, everything looks good. Very interestingly, so we actually don't have any crosswind component right now. We're pretty much flying right into the wind, despite we're on the crosswind leg of the pattern. Pretty funny. Alright, 2000. Turn downwind. AM traffic, Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning right downwind for runway 01 AIMS. Low pressure. Alright, everything looks good. If your our engine power is off. That's why it's still climbing. I will crab to the right so that we don't run too close to the runway like last time, because that's not good. Everything looks good. Why not?
Density altitude 1,900. Ames Municipal Airport, Ames, Iowa. Automated weather observation 2240 Zulu. Wind 090 at 04.
090 at 04, so that's still a crosswind. Car heat. Hit car piece left. Or too slow actually. There we go, that's better. Much better. Alright, turn base. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning right base for runway 01 full stop aims. Wow, we're dropping really fast. Final looks clear. Next ultra flap. Double check final. Final looks good. Alright, last one. We're a little low, so I'll add a little power. And final. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is turning final for runway 01 full stop aims. Alright, that looks good.
Ames area traffic, Malibu 350 Hotel Zulu is 5.5 miles to the east at 3,000 descending. Going to be entering a right base for runway 1 Ames. Any traffic, please advise.
Alright, so we need to get down. Everything looks good. Alright, let's add all the flaps, because why not? Alright, crosswind again. Oh, that was much better. Alright, see if we can get up here. Alright, I think we can.
Ames area traffic, Malibu 350 Hotel Zulu is going to be entering a right base for runway 01 Ames. Any traffic, please advise.
Alright, we're gonna be out of his way, so... brake. And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is clear of all runways, taxi back to the Ames. Alright, flaps up, RPDing, mixture lean, transponder to standby. Alright, we're good. Let's get back. Ooh, it's really hot. Alright, that's gonna be better.
Ames traffic, Malibu 350 Hotel Zulu is in a right base for runway 1 Ames.
Alright. That was the first solo. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Alright. We're going a little too fast. I don't even know. Wind correction. Like we're like pretty much being sliced by night, so I'm not sure about that. Alright, just slow down a little bit. Alright, that looks much better. Where's that guy? Can see him.
Ames traffic, Malibu 0 Hotel Zulu is on short final for runway 1 Ames.
And Ames traffic, Tri-Pacer 3141 Zulu. We're holding into 13 for traffic.
And traffic Skyhawk 4808 Delta is crossing runway 1331 at Alpha Ames. Alright, let's just get over here.
Alright, well, 0 Hotel Zulu, since that aircraft is crossing 31, we're going to go ahead and roll on through 2 so we can let you get out of there. So Ames traffic, Malibu 0 Hotel Zulu is on runway 1, crossing runway 13, we'll be turning on Bravo.
Ames traffic Skyhawk 480 Delta is clear of all active runways, taxiing back to the ramp Ames.
And Ames traffic, Malibu 0 Hotel Zulu is clear of all runways. You're cleared to go on 13.
Ames Piper Tri-Pacer 3141 Zulu, departing 13.
Alright, let's slow down. Alright, let's park at the stamp plate. Ah, that guy's right behind. Alright. Alright, shutdown checklist. Parking brake is set. Electricals are off.
Throttle, gyro, magnetos, grounds are good. Throttle goes down. Make sure I have cut off. Magneto off. Master off. And hot 9.3. Alright, that was the first solo. Not too bad.